Hey beautiful friends, it's Carissa here. I have a really great product for you. This is a leather trunk organizer and I am super excited about putting this in my trunk. It'll make it easy for me, like if I am going to be going on a trip or going to the grocery store and just kind of organizing things out to separate it into different spaces. It makes it easier to carry it inside the house or my destination. And here it is. So you've got nice big space here and it can close up. So you'll notice on the inside of it, you have these little pieces of Velcro and you stick them to the insides areas to make the sides stick together. And they're on all the different sides here. And then this part just kind of closes up like that. Look how nice this is. You have little pockets, you've got handles, and you've got, this is like a little divider you can use.